Want to know how to hide phone numbers on Telegram? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'll walk you through the process of how to hide phone numbers on Telegram. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Telegram app on your screen. Then tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner of your screen and tap on the settings option. Now under the settings section, tap on the privacy and security option. Tap on the phone number option under the privacy section. At the top, you can see who can see my phone number option. Now select the nobody option at the bottom in order to hide your number on Telegram from everyone. Finally, beside you, no one can view your number, which helps to maintain your privacy and strengthen your security on Telegram. So this is how to hide phone numbers on Telegram. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.